This is going to blow your mind. Sick of losing track of assignments? Let's fix that with these top 5 student organization hacks. First up, the tool debate, digital versus paper. Some love Google Calendar, others can't live without their trusty notebooks. Find what clicks for you. Next, set clear goals. Break big tasks into bite-sized pieces. And hey, schedule in some fun time too. Netflix counts. Tip 3, keep your desk clean. Cluttered desk, cluttered mind. Label everything from binders to digital files. Trust me, future you will thank you. Why all this fuss about organization? It keeps you on top of your game. No more last-minute panic attacks. Not naturally organized? No sweat. Develop your system, track progress, and break tasks down. You've got this. To wrap it up, use calendars, to-do lists, and planners. They're your new best friends. Organization is the secret sauce to student success. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you next time.